Good morning. This morning we have come to
Ventnor Botanical Gardens.
Yeah, so we've had a coffee already.
Coffee first.
Coffee first, always coffee first. There's a little cafe up there, so we may be going back there for lunch, we'll see. But firstly, we're going to have a good look around the garden. So,
let's go.
Terrapin.
He's so cute.
So what do you think of it in here then?
Yeah, it's nice. It's late in the season, so things are...
Yeah, we got told by our host that there wouldn't be much colour here today. But
there's quite a bit of colour still,
there's
really.
an amazing amount of colour, I think.
This is nice.
Yeah, very nice. What are you up to?
Colouring in.
Yeah. The following day, and realising we actually didn't do a piece to camera, we went down to Dimbola, the former home of Julia Margaret Cameron, one of the most important early photographers from Victorian times. This is an excellent museum with tea rooms, obviously, and actually, I'll say it again, well worth a visit.
Morning, folks. I'm very excited today.
It's Dawn's day today.
My day today.
Wildlife photographer extraordinaire. We're going in search of
red squirrels.
Yeah. So we're going to go a couple of locations. Pine Forest first.
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Boldner, I think.
Boldner Forest. So we'll set off.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. And I've got to do some painting while we're there as well. So all good.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, choke.
Bit more choke. Bit more choke. Bit more choke. Little less choke.
It's cold this morning. Poor old girl. You gotta let her have a little choke.
Yeah. It's got to sort of start off right. Oh, where's scaffolder's gone?
Oh, why is he indicating that?
Because he's going to pull in now, I guess.
Oh, okay.
I hope.
Okay. Eyes. Delivering, maybe.
I think there's a good chance we should be able to get the roof down today. It's a bit early at the moment, but it's a bit cool, isn't it?
A bit cool at the moment, yeah, but looks like it's going to be sunny today, so hopefully.
Yeah, this dreadful wind though, isn't it? It's trouble. Yeah. 5 hours. Hugged with a sea view. Up into that forest ahead of you.
Okay.
Bit disappointing.
Yeah, a bit disappointing that we haven't seen any yet.
No real signs. So
No.
I'm thinking about moving on now.
Yeah.
To
trying somewhere else.
Yeah, we're going to find, I can't remember, something Abbey.
It's an abbey.
Yeah, we're going to move on to that. So, yep. That's about all we can do here.
And it's a lovely walk though.
Yeah.
Coastal path
and a bit of erosion. Changed the landscape a little bit. The Isle of Wight is getting smaller every year. But yeah. Anyway, we're going to carry on walking. Well, it looks like Dawn has found the ideal place. There's a hide here in Quor Abbey gardens, and just as we approached, there was a squirrel sitting, feeding on the nuts over there in the corner. So I'm going to retreat and leave Dawn to see if she can get the shot she wants. I'm just going to have a go at a watercolour of this view here. Well, hopefully that was a bit better for you, wasn't it?
That was great, yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So going to the woods this morning wasn't the best idea, but who knows, before you get there you just don't know, do you? So yeah, so we'll put a few shots in that will just show some of the shots of the red squirrels.
Fantastic.
So Quor Abbey is the place to come and see them. So we're going to leave you here at Quor Abbey. We just got a little bit of shopping to do on the way home, so we don't need to include Tesco's, I don't think. And we'll catch you up again tomorrow. Still pretty windy up here. Tennyson Monument. Well, we've managed to make it out to the Needles. but I think we're going to get wet before we get home. And just like that, we're back at the ferry terminal.
Yeah.
This part of the holiday over. Nice, thank you. So yeah, got to get boarded. Unfortunately, this time we haven't got the lower deck.
Doesn't sound like it, no.
No, so we needed to have booked that apparently this way round. It was very busy this morning, but
Very busy,
yeah, it'll be okay. It'll be all right. No problems, no dramas. Stopped her.
Oh, we're going up. I don't really want to go up.
Oh.
I am.
Okay.
Watch out for the bump.
Yeah. It's okay. Everything's okay.
Yep.
And we're undercover.
That's good. Just gonna have to get a good old wash before we put her away again.
Welcome aboard the Red Eagle. Please listen very carefully to the following safety announcement.
I said, well, we'll run this side, don't have to alternate them.
Why did we stop?
We got very hot. So yeah, we're making a bit slow progress. We've not crossed the M4 yet.
It's a very warm day today.
23 degrees it is today. So just all the weather we've had. And, right
And now it's really sunny and warm.
So we're just
but
north of Newbury, in a park we found for a cup of tea. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can make some bit of progress now.
yeah, still about 4 hours away from home, so
Yeah.
we need to get on really because it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So
Yeah, so
let's get on.
we'll get going.
Still not home yet.
Back at Marston Mortain. Oh god, that sounds bad. Marston Mortain, I guess it is. Services. Plenty of ums and ahs. We've had one heck of a journey. If you want to know where all the roadworks are and the slow moving traffic is in the south of England, we found them all. Well, I guess we're going to head back, obviously home now.
Yeah.
And we're both very tired, so should we leave that whole thing here? We've had a fantastic time, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, sorry we're not very good at closing off each day. You know, like yesterday we walked from Freshwater Bay all the way out to the Needles. Anyone going out to the Needles? we have to say that the restaurant we went in was pretty poor, wasn't it? Really, I mean, we don't like to run anywhere down, but it was just...
We were late, but it wasn't very nice.
Yeah.
Really.
Just not what you think from a star attraction. It's got to be the star attraction on the Isle of Wight, isn't it? The Needles, you know. But yeah. So thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on another time, another trip. Anything you want to add?
I'm really sad to be leaving, actually, because I'm really sad to be going home because it was such a great trip and really
and the
good
weather
fun.
today, 23 degrees.
Oh, you just can't believe it, can you? The weather has been so poor, and then today it's been 26 or whatever, bright sunshine.
Yeah.
It's just not fair. Not fair.
Not
But
fair
there you
at all.
go.
Yeah. So anyone going to the Isle of Wight this week?
Yeah.
Which will be the
Really?
week we actually put the video out, because we don't put it
the
out
week
till
after, probably.
till we
Anyway.
till we go all together. So hopefully we're improving on these holiday trip video things.
We're trying.
We're trying very hard, and thanks to all the 500 subscribers so far. You know, so
thank you.
yeah, and more of the mustard midget to come, eh?
Yeah, definitely more to come. Yeah,
All
it's
right.
great.
Let's go.
See you next time.
Oh, see, that's how much I ache getting in.